Alright folks, lately I've been asked a lot about personalization and what we can do in the customer experience suite, so I just decided I'd make a demo of a few of the features that we can do. Enjoy!
In this demonstration, I'm going to show you a little bit about what we can do with personalizing the experience for the customer. Here I am looking at the renovation site and I'm not logged in. And what you see here are a list of articles, the top article, a list of the featured articles by region, corporate news, global news. And so what we want to be able to do when we log in is to be able to show personalized content based upon the user's profile. So if I log in here, and I log in as WP admin here, we know that WP admin has some information in his profile that allows us to understand where he is and that kind of information. So now that I see my top article and my featured news, what we'll see here is it's now personalized for his zip code, where he lives. So we have the ability to personalize based upon the person's location. Now, if we wanted to, we can even incorporate geolocation and personalize based upon where they are in the world. So any type of device like a mobile device or a tablet or even some of the later browsers that support HTML5 will allow us to personalize based upon where they currently are. So that's one form of personalization that we have. Another form of personalization that we have allows us to personalize based upon behavior throughout the site. So here I'm looking at life insurance, and I've got a list of products over here. I've got wellness planning and dental insurance and medical insurance. Now if I choose the wellness planning here, I can read up a little bit more about wellness planning and building a plan. And if I choose dental insurance, based upon the profiling of the dental insurance, what I now see is just a very, very personalized list of products uh, that would be relevant to me that I might be interested in based upon what kind of content I'm clicking on, whether based upon its categorization or its keywords or even its tags. So you can see here that, I last viewed content that was profiled for health. And so that's how it works. Now, what's really nice about this type of personalization is that even though I log out, I can continue to personalize that same experience. Even if I close out the browser and open up a new browser and jump on over to my same site, I can continue to have that same personalized content. So this allows me to continue to personalize the experience even if I'm not logged in, not even based upon a user's current customer's profile. It's based upon their clicks and their behavior and what content they're most interested in. Now our personalization goes beyond personalizing based upon uh, behavior and profile. We can also personalize based upon device. So here I can see a, a very slick set of new articles here at the top for my Prospero site, and this is a Flash piece. So if I right click, you can see here it says Flash here. Now we all know that a tablet device can't, or an iPad actually can't handle Flash. So if I jump over to my iPad here, what we do is we personalize based upon that device. So we can recognize the type of device and we can say, this device can't handle Flash, so let's throw in something that can handle it. So you don't have this big empty space here of your main articles or your main top news here. So now we have a JavaScript based top articles showing up for my tablet device. So there's different types of personalization. Personalization based upon profiling, so what we know about the customer, what zip code they live in, or we can even personalize based upon geolocation, so where do they live in the world. We also saw some personalization based upon their click-through behavior, and it doesn't have to be logged in. It could even be not logged in, so whenever they come back to the site we can continue to keep that personalization. And the final personalization that you see here is personalization based upon what types of devices, so whether or not they're coming from a browser or whether or not they're coming from a tablet device.